All right, all right, all right. We're live. Athletic Robots. Yeah. Right now, we got round 2 of the 2021 Optic NFL Football 10 Mega Box break. And we're set to go at 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. But we are on a little early. We've got some available teams to get rid of. So what we're looking at for this round are the Jags for 99, the Steelers for 40, and the 49ers are only 69 this round. We tried to sell them for 75 last round, and nobody bought them. But we did pull a nice card, so yeah. But we'll go ahead and pin this video to the featured section. And Jags, definitely jump into the comments. We are looking to get that amount for these teams, so I mean, these are kind of like starting bid type prices. So if you are interested, jump into the comments and let us know if you want one of those teams. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and read the rest of the starting lineup. And those teams will be available until we pull something good. But, what's up, BP Sports Cards? Who are you? Other than BP. What's up, Kelly? Kelly's offering 85 on the Jags. St. Brown tonight. All right, yeah. 50 bucks on the Jags, DeLima? You're killing me. But no, we got offers. We got an $85 offer for the Jags. Who offered the 85? I forget.
Kelly.
Yeah, Kelly, we'll probably just go ahead and take that. I mean, people could have just spoke up and got them for 99, but we'll sell them for 85. So Kelly, if you're on the video, TJ will put in the payment information. Let us know if you want Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal. All right, so that takes care of the Jags. Who else was it? The Niners and the Steelers. Come on, DeLima. You know that's a good deal for both of those. But we're looking for 69 on the Niners, which is a steal of a bargain, and so is 40 on the Steelers. Dang it! 40 on the Niners, huh? We'll have to strongly consider that.
50 and it's a no doubt deal.
We'd probably go ahead and do it for 50, but 40's just kind of like
40's pretty enticing as well.
It's like it's better than 0, that's for sure. Wow. Send you an invoice? Dang. Hey. So Kelly, if you come on the live video, we'll have you take care of this with TJ. He said okay. So he should be coming on the live video for 85 bucks for the Jags.
All right, Kelly's here. Kelly, do you want to pay with Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal? Let me know in the comments, and then I'll put the
deal on the Niners. All right, thank you, Michael. Yeah, Kelly, let us know how you want to pay with Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal. And PayPal, okay. So TJ will put our PayPal into the comments, and then if you just go there and pay us, that'd be good enough. Unless you require an invoice, but that kind of hurts. You know what I'm saying? Phone froze for Michael DeLima. Let's see. So he's going to do the Niners. Okay.
For 50, was it?
Yeah. What is it? 85 on the Jags.
For Kelly Johnson.
Okay. Got the Niners for 50. Okay, so the Steelers. All right, so we got a message from somebody for the Steelers. Matt Dayton wants the Steelers. All right, so he's going to get that paid for. So the Steelers are sold as well. Matt Dayton. Breaks us even for the both of them. Lost money on the first one, made a little bit on this one. All right here. Thank you, Michael. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and get into the starting lineup. And then we'll jump on in. Thanks, guys, for picking up those teams. Jags are sold, Bob. All the teams are sold, guys. Thank you very much. You want to type that in? Well, I'll do it. Sent. Matt Dayton sent. Venmo. Okay. Matt Dayton, $30. 85 for the Jags. 40. Alright, cool. Got it. Okay, so Matt Dayton has the Steelers. Did I type that in there? Okay, alright. So let me go ahead and read the starting lineup and we'll jump on in, guys. 49ers in the first break. No, they did not sell, but they got a nice Trey Lance, a blue hyper at bare minimum. I think maybe a couple more as well. You should buy them as well. I don't remember. Yeah, $50. Seems fair. If you want it. Alright, cool, Matt. I got your shipping info. Alright, so let me go ahead and do the starting lineup for round 2, we're looking at Michael DeLima with the Bills, Tony Tuccia with the Broncos, Kelly Johnson has the Jaguars, Michael DeLima with the Chargers, James Garrison has the Saints. Might be sleeping by now. James is an early riser. Matt Dayton has the Steelers, Michael DeLima the 49ers. He only paid me $40 for the 49ers. You dirty toilet. Yeah, that's pretty good one there, Michael DeLima. We did go back and forth between 40 and 50, I suppose. But, yeah. Anyways, all right. So you paid 40. So let me correct that. Damn. Oh, yeah. I had 40 for the Chargers. Damn it. Whatever. All right. And then the eBay lineup. DeLima, you owe me some onion Hawaii chips now. You give me 40 for the first round? I'll have to consult with my person here. 40 for the Niners for the first round. What do you think? You think we should take that?
Might as well.
All right, Michael DeLima, we'll take it. Might as well. Was TJ's response. So I'll type you in for that one as well. Thank you very much. Oh my God, we made like $20. Whoa! Yeah! All right! Yes! You're gonna make us another box of stuff soon? Oh, that is what I'm talking about. I'm pretty much survived on that stuff, for a little while. I had the onion chips for a good, I don't know, 4 hours.
I forgot the starting lineup.
I did? Oh, shit. I meant to do that. Alright, so that's TJ's, he's awesome at like knowing what to do, remembering things and stuff like that. Daniel Polar, he has the Ravens and the Jets. Kelly Johnson, I'm going to take a deep breath here. Cardinals, Falcons, Panthers, Bears, Packers, Rams, Dolphins, Patriots, Giants, Titans, Commanders. Jeez. Wow. My God, I'm going to have to send your stuff in an armored truck. Let me guess, you live in Afghanistan. I'm going to have to send it in a cargo plane. All right, we got Cody Davidson with the Bucks. Andrew Robin Eckles with the Seahawks. Hey, you know what else, Michael DeLima? We also had unsold from round 1 the Patriots, and they got a nice card at least, a couple of nice cards too, if you're interested in that. Andrew Robin Eckles, like I said, you have the Seahawks, and there goes Bob Barbier. He's got the Eagles. Welcome back. And Jeremy Thompson, welcome back. Jeremy Thompson is a long-timer. I think he's been on the group now. It's probably been, it's at least been 1 year. It might have even been 2 years. Skull, so go Vikes. Spencer French, welcome back. Also had the Chiefs in round 1, so got the Chiefs in round 2. Best of luck. Michael Lisi, you have the Colts. Audrey Smith has the Texans. Braden Bova, the Lions. Philip Kearns, the Browns. Okay, now let me do a little scrolling here, because sold some of these as well. Okay. Chad Davis has the Bengals. Jonathan Powers has the Cowboys. Chad Monroe has the Raiders. And that is the starting lineup. Onion Hawaii chips. If any of you have the chance to get some, they're really good. We can't find any here. I've been looking everywhere. Again, the only thing I can find close to it is Funyuns, which is just bootied out compared to what we had. So anyways, I'll do half, TJ will do half. We do sleeve anything that's not a base or a base insert, and the hit's going to top loaders. Shipping goes out, shipping goes out tomorrow. You're going to get one mem card in these per box on average. Blue Hypers. Downtowns, possibly. Are you in a hurry?
I'm sorry there.
Why?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Going over to Gage's.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, let's get this show on the road. TJ's hungry. Damn. But we do have another break tomorrow, guys, with select blasters. And then in the store right now, I suppose on the top of the Facebook group page, we also have some Optic cellos. So check those out. And then we do have hangers and blasters as well. So look on the top of the Facebook group page and get up in some of those as well. Is that a downtown in the first pack?
Woo!
Spicy justice! Ow! Oh my god, I'm already excited. TJ's like, hurry up, hurry up. Bam! Justin Herbert! Oh, yeah!
Woo!
Herbie time! Caltrask. Spicy.
I don't get downtown wherever it's got.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he shoots, he scores. First pack. Yes. Let me see who has the Chargers. That makes me feel good about myself. And that is Michael DeLima! Wow. That's his favorite player, too, I'm pretty sure. Well, it's either him or Josh Allen. Nice one, Michael DeLima. That is awesome. Yes! That is so awesome. I know you're going to love that. Wow, I'm happy for you. So, by the way, we have now pulled the Herbert Downtown out of last year's Optic, which was his rookie, and this one. So that, just FYI. We good. Devontae Smith, the Blue Hyper. Ronnie Perkins. How about buying this mega out in the wild? This is a nice mega. Spicy. So already, obviously, our beats our last round. Which is great. That last round sucked ass. Nice. Can't believe that first pack. Jamar Chase, the rookies. Joe Tryon. I don't think that's never happened. Not in a break that I can think of. First pack, a downtown. That's the first time that's ever happened. That's amazing. Justin Fields Hollow. Najee base. Wow, what a mega, guys. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Rand. I didn't see you. I didn't know Rand was on here. What's going on, Rand? Yeah, imagine buying. Yeah, this would be the perfect mega. course, I somehow or another never seem to obtain this quality of one on my own. I did get some cellos of Prism basketball at Barnes & Noble today. 2 of them. Pretty excited to see what I wasted my money on there. Let's see. Let's put the hollows with the blue hypers. Yeah. Yeah, Michael DeLima is definitely a legit Duck fan. That's for sure. Awesome. You guys must be related too. You guys are both Herbie fans. Oregon peoples. You guys must have went to Oregon or something. Jalen Hurts, legendary logos. Levi Onwuzurike. Oh, James is probably sleeping, but we got an Ian Book. Rashawn Slater, blue, Ian Book. All right, I believe we got a thick one here. Yep. Eric Stokes and Mac Jones. There we go. Rookie Phenom. Mem card. Oh, James is up. Hey, what's up, James? Got you an Ian Book. Yeah, Kelly. This first mega is killer for just 1 mega. Wow, we're on a roll. Quinn Miners Hollow, Javon Holland. I feel like we had this much stuff cased like about half of the last break. Kellen Mond, blue, Chuba Hubbard. And Nick Bosa Hollow, Tommy Tremble. Alright, nice first mega there. Let's get up in mega number 2. First pack downtown. That's just, wow, it's pretty epic. I'm going to have to make sure I take note of that in the comments or whatever. Jabril Cox blue, Ian Book. A thick one here. Eric Stokes and Travis Etienne. Ooh, this one's probably numbered. It's silver. It's 3-color. There we go. And it is numbered out of 50. 2 out of 50. Travis Etienne rookie phenoms. Sweet. So let's check the thickness. Yeah, it is a little thicker. So it's your lucky day because we happen to have every size for everything. That one looks booped. I think that's one of the used ones from your thing of used ones that you gave me.
Oh, it was the sleeve inside of it.
Oh. Nice. So there you go, Jags. That's spicy. Nice 3-color. Yeah, there you go, Kelly. Add that to your repertoire. ETN's revving up, too, so that's nice. George Palmer, blue. Jared Patterson. We got a orange scope. I forgot about orange scopes. I didn't even put orange scope in the thing. Forgot about them. They're numbered and everything. Contrast. And the orange scope is Levi on Wizarike. Numbered out of 79. So 7 out of 79. We didn't get any orange scopes in the last break. We already got a Downtown and an orange scope in this one. So I have a good feeling about this one. Hate to cover that Herbie up. Kellen Mond, Joe Tryon. Pat Surtain, hollow. That's getting real close to Kaser there, Javon Holland. If he gets, they already had Pro Bowl, I guess. Well, no, they haven't had Pro Bowl. If he gets Pro Bowl, did he get Pro Bowl last year?
I don't think so.
We'll have to see. Jabril Cox, hollow. Najee. I guess Pro Bowl isn't really the best indicator either. I don't know. We'll have to see how he progresses.
I'd say All Pro is a better.
Yeah, All Pro. Yeah, because All Pro isn't like a fan vote. Yeah, some of it is though. I think, isn't it?
I don't think All Pro teams are.
There he goes again with a blue. So Broncos getting those Surtains. Hollow on a blue. Yeah. Eric Ebron. Hollow. Tommy Trimble. Jared Goff. Legendary logos. Levi on Wazirike. All right, mega number 3. I think I got the thick one on the top here. Yeah. Semi-fog that. Dwayne Eskridge. There you go, Hops. You can do it. Oh, we got a purple velocity. Sweet. We're doing great here this break. Jamin Davis. Felipe Franks. So these are not numbered, but of course the purple velocity is quote-unquote the unannounced SSP, because on the back of these boxes they call them teal velocities. They don't even have the teal velocity in the Target mags either. They're just not even a thing. So still don't want to cover the Herbie up done. The Warriors. What's he saying? Basketball?
The Warriors are on right now.
Are they on right now? Oh, I like watching it's preseason, right?
No, it's the opening night.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Dang it. All right, yeah. Let's get cooking here. Rondale Moore hollow. Marquez Stevenson. God, I'm so slow. TJ's over here like biting his nails like, hurry up, you slow ass. Des Fitzpatrick blue. Javante. Who the Warriors got it now this year that they didn't have last year? Terrace Marshall White. Amari Rogers. Blue Davis Mills. There we go, Texans. Spicy. Wow, this is definitely a better break than last time.
I can't. I'm doing a break. He said turn on the game. I guess I can turn it on the iMac in the back. Oh, what? What the? Why? They just had a backwards Jamar Chase. I turned it around. I'm like, let's see his auto. No, it's a Gridiron Kings.
Panini.
Micah Parsons. Dang, man. Oh, how many times do they have to get me on that for me to not be so just gullible and fall for them? No matter what, I just get a little bit excited. That's probably happened to me, I don't know, at least 50 times. At least. It's just out of control. Peyton Turner Hollow and Trey Lance. A base. Yeah. Wiseman's healthy. Yeah. Added a few contributors on top of everyone else there. Yeah, Wiseman at top of his game is obviously a good mix. Good addition. Joseph Asai Blue, Dwayne Eskridge. I mean, he was the guy that went to college and like played like one game and then like went to the pros and he's played very little really.
Who?
Wiseman.
Oh.
And old Wiseman, Asante Samuel. Left-handed, like 7-footer. I don't know. He's tall. It was like Memphis, I think. He like violated something. I don't know.
He like sold an autograph or something.
Yeah,
something like that.
That's.
Oh no, it was Penny Hardaway that paid
his rent.
Penny Hardaway was part of the booster program before he became the coach. So he paid for something of James Wiseman's before he became the coach. So they got penalized for that.
Yeah. Huh. Well, I hope Wiseman does something good. I got quite a bit of his cards. Hunter Long Blue, Jarrett Patterson. I got mad June with Wiseman cards, really. I've just been kind of hanging on to them, obviously, because they don't have much value. Terrace Marshall, Joe Tryon. Boocha! Davis Mills Hollow. Yeah. Najee base. It's our third Najee base. Racking up the Davis Mills. Nice. TJ should turn the game on. He doesn't want to. He's like too far. Alright, I think there's a thick one here. Yep. Eric Stokes. Jalen Rager. Now on the Vikes, right, TJ?
Yep.
Did you do anything this week?
Not that I know of. Unless, I don't remember if this was the week he got the touchdown or not. Oh. Maybe this week or last week.
Well, sounds like he scored a touchdown, at least, this year.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Rages. Legendary logos. Levi Onwuzurike. Kyle the Trask. Joseph Asai, Hollow, Javon Holland. Get a lot of Joseph Asai. Of course, if we were going for him, we wouldn't. We wouldn't know where he was. Jake Funk Blue, Chuba Hubbard. Earl Campbell Hollow. Tommy Trembling Tremble. All right. Jacob Harris Blue. Ian Book. All right, we got Mega number 5. I'm going to do this one, then TJ's going to do the rest. And of course, we do upload the video to YouTube as well. So you can always catch it there. Tylan Wallace Blue. Devontae Smith. Spice. There you go, Eagles. The Eagles fly undefeated. They're playing really good this year, obviously. I, for one, never would have thought Jalen Hurts would have been playing this awesome. I mean, he is pretty good, but this awesome. Rashawn Slater. He is on top of his game right now. Every back card in this pack is backwards. Or in this Mega. Ramondre Hollow. That's nice. Kellen Mond. Everyone. Curry, Clay, Wiggins, Wiseman, Poole, Draymond, Kuminga, DaVincio, Moody, Looney.
Oh, they did. They signed Dante DiVincenzo. I forgot.
Oh, where's he from? I don't know.
Milwaukee, I think.
Andre. Hotter than Crisco. Cisco, I won't waste your time with that. Ronnie Perkins, blue. Michael Carter. Got a thick one. Yonder. Peyton Turner. Jalen Waddle. Waddle. There you go, fans. That and the Justin Jefferson, what's it called? The Gritty? The Gritty are the two better touchdown dances.
When the Vikings got the turnover to seal the game, they went to the end zone cam and started all. There was a bunch of different celebrations, but somebody was doing the waddle. Oh, is that a rocket?
That's a rocket. Let's see what it is. Jamison Crowder. Rocket. Awesome. So this break is being productive. Last break we did not get a single short print out of 10 megas. So they were just saving them for this one. Still won't cover up though. Nice. I can't think of something that we haven't got. I think we got it all. Hollow Chris Evans. Jar. They could trade half the team for Westbrook and still win. Westbrook, he looks like a sad puppy dog every time I look at him, his face. Cornell Powell Blue. Anthony Schwartz. I don't understand. Westbrook is one of the greatest of all times, in my opinion. And on the Lakers, it's like all of a sudden he lost his magic powers or something. I don't understand.
You can't have the ball in his hands all game now.
Yeah, that's got to be what it is. Understandable. Brevin Jordan. You know, he's used to controlling the whole game, which makes sense. And now it's like LeBron's there. It's like, what are you going to do? LeBron is...
Went from being the first option his whole career to...
Right.
Well, I guess not his whole.
No point, KD. Definitely brings the ball up the court and does whatever he wants with it most of the time. top that, TJ.
Doing my best.
That was a hella 5 megas.
Yeah.
I need onion kettle chips for that Herbert Downtown.
Yeah, no kidding, Rand. A little tough act to follow, but we follow it regardless. Jalen Waddle, blue hyper. Here we go, Fins. Trevon Moehrig.
First pack. Here we go. You ain't messing around.
Pick one here. Rashad Bateman and Cornell Powell, rookie phenoms.
Rookie bench run. I don't know if he's ever played.
Christian Barmore. Cornell Powell. Dominators Devontae Adams. Amon Ra. There we go, Lions.
Yep.
You guys want that mango stuff for the wife?
Mango. Oh, those mango chunks. We haven't even eaten those that mango stuff you put on fruit yet.
Nashawn Wright. Mac Jones Holo.
Booyah!
Bang, bang.
But yeah, those mango slices were awesome. I don't think anyone else tasted what they taste like because I kind of didn't let them. TJ snuck those chips out too. I was gonna destroy those.
Tylan Wallace, Elijah Vera Tucker Holo. Yeah, those were good.
He found those mid-snack.
They were like sour cream and onion kettle chips. Global Quiddy Pay. JC Horn. Trey Sermon Blue. Ronnie Perkins. Rand needs those Maui cookies.
Oh, those are awesome. Yeah, I pretty much ate all those too.
Alex Leatherwood Blue. T-Law. Here we go. Jags.
Yep. Brand, how do you know about the Maui cookies? What is going on here? You guys are related or something. Brother from another mother. Those Maui cookies are legit. They had macadamia nuts and chocolate chips, I think. Oh, those were so good. They fell apart in the bag. Still good, though, in crumbles. We haven't even got in that coffee yet.
White Hot Elijah Moore. Pat Surtain.
When we do, we'll sound like the Great Cornholio.
Anthony Schwartz Blue Hyper. Asante Samuel.
And I might have a heart attack.
Elijah Molden Holo. Jabril Cox. Jock Blue Hyper. Marquez Stevenson. Trey McKitty. Jimmy G Holo. Javonte Williams.
Are you just not going to pull any hits this one?
Pick one. I don't think so. Penny Sewell. Rookie Phenoms Kyle Trask back at it again.
Oh, yeah. Brady Jr.
Gifted Devonta Smith, Josh Palmer. Breven Jordan, Blue Hyper, Zach Wilson. There we go, Jets.
Here we put the curved penny souls.
Adafe Holo, Amir Smith Marset.
At least. Get this show on the road. He's backing me up over here. I can't sleep this fast. My heart and my rate is. I need a backing out of me.
Jarrett Patterson, Blue, Sam Ellinger.
I'm still in the last mega.
Elite Series, Ramondre. Justin Fields. There we go, Bears.
The Bears!
Greg Newsome, Holo. Quinn Meaners. Legendary logos, Justin Herbert. Tutu Atwell. Thick one. Elijah Molden. And Elijah Moore. Rookie Phenoms.
How does Rand know about the Hawaii cookies?
Michael, you spoiling Rand too? Adafe Awe. I thought we were special. Pete Werner Holo. Elijah Moore. Najee Harris, Blue Hyper. There you go, Steelers. Aziz Arjalari. Slide in the DMs, LOL. Makes sense. Debo Samuel Holo. Nico Collins.
Hey, we need the monopoly on the snack game. All snacks should come to Iowa.
Joe Tryon, Blue Hyper. Boogie Basham.
We deserve it.
2 megas to go.
Woo! Herbie Downtown, yeah!
Simi Fahoko, Blue Hyper. Penny Sewell.
Penny Warp Sewell.
Dwayne Eskridge, Blue Hyper. Josh Palmer. Rand says, I'll send you guys something amazing during the holidays.
Okay.
Well, now I'm excited. I'm going to be excited about that for a couple months now. Ian Book, Gridiron Kings. Jabril Cox.
You're going to have to top what my mom sends us, though, which is some ham. Wait, what?
Marquez Stevenson Holo. Pastor Tane.
Some, like, honey ham. Oh, wait. Yeah, some Georgia ham company. I don't know.
And pecan pie.
Yeah, pecan pie, yeah.
White Hot Jalen Waddle. There we go, Finns. And Zach Wilson.
They're not top what my mom sends, actually.
Huh?
Better not top what my mom sends. That may not be good, but it's not nice. Okay, my mom should be like top of the line. Number 1. Kirk Cousins does not get a sleeve.
Pick one.
Ian Book, Gridiron Kings.
Trevon Morig. Simi Fehoko, rookie. Phenoms. World famous but local to me. Something sweet.
Who said that?
Rand. Where's Rand live?
Colorado.
World famous but local to me. Cheesecake Factory. Trey McKitty.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we've been to Denver. We tried to go to the Cheesecake Factory, but they were closed.
Javonte Williams, holo. Amir Smith Marset.
All of us rode around downtown Denver on one of those, what was that, TJ?
I don't know, a bike with a carriage.
What are they called in India?
Felipe Franks Blue, Shane Bushelli.
They're called something. Anyways, all four of us were on this thing.
Oh, not comparable, family owned. Huh. I'm excited
Wait,
now.
what?
Brandon Ayuk holo. Larry Roundtree. He said family owned.
Not comparable to the Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah.
Colorado. All right.
Well, yeah, I guess we wouldn't know if it's family owned.
Broncos.
It's a Peyton Manning signed jersey.
Walmart. Wait, what did he said family on here, right?
Yeah.
Walmart.
All right, last mega. Let's do it. Trey Lance holo.
Oh!
There we go, Niners. Elijah Molden.
Michael DeLima continues the surge. Michael DeLima has had a hot hand in our breaks for a couple months now, I would say. He got the Trey Lance Optic Auto.
But they grew into a massive company. You will love it. No spoilers. Oh, boy. All right. Michael DeLima smells a Josh Allen downtown. Double up on him, I guess, eh? Joe Burrow, legendary logos. Adafe Awe.
But Michael DeLima, are you Justin Herbert or are you Josh Allen? Who's number one?
Quinn Meaners, Blue Hyper. Elijah Moore. Pretty obvious after last week. I guess you mean number one is who's his
Michael
favorite?
Who's your favorite?
Amari Rogers holo. Luke Farrell.
That's the question.
Tutu Atwell blue. Micah Parsons.
Because they're both on top of their game, obviously. Neither one of them have a ring, so I would say pretty comparable. Josh Allen is what, 1 or 2 years older?
Something like that. Josh Allen 1A. Yeah, I'd agree with that.
Alright, Josh Allen.
Thick one here. Azeez Ojulari. Elijah Moore. Another one. Rookie Phenoms.
So I have a funny feeling that this Justin Herbert Downtown is going to end up with Rand. I don't know. I don't know.
Nico Collins.
I hear snack talk being said about cookies, DMing. I don't know.
Baker Mayfield holo. Trey Lance again. Niners having a day here. Seen quite a few good Trey Lances here. 2 packs to go. Boogie Basham blue. Amari Rogers. And the last pack, Rising Suns Michael Pittman and Dwayne Eskridge. Alrighty, let's get into this review.
Yeah, hurry up.
Starting with the base, we got Trey Lance, Micah Parsons, Jalen Waddle Whitehot, Zach Wilson, Justin Fields, Zach Wilson, Trevor Lawrence, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Devonta Smith, Najee Harris, Trey Lance, Micah Parsons, Najee Harris, and Najee Harris.
Okay, then we got some blue hyper and holos. For the holos, we got Justin Fields, Davis Mills, Mac Jones, Trey Lance, blue hyper, Najee Harris, Jalen Waddle, Davis Mills, and Devonta Smith. Alright, we got some patches. Got Elijah Moore, Simi Fehoko, Elijah Moore, Kyle Trask, Cornell Powell, Jalen Waddle, Jalen Reagor, Dwayne Eskridge, Travis Etienne silver number, 2 out of 50. There you go, Jags. And Mac Jones. All right, then we got the hits of the break here. We got a Downtown Justin Herbert. There you go, Michael DeLima. Jamison Crowder Rocket. Jamin Davis Purple Velocity. And Levi Onwuzurike Orange Scope numbered. 7 of 79. All right, well, that'll do it for this one. We'll be back tomorrow, right?
Yep, select blasters.
Select blasters tomorrow. So we'll hope to see you.
See ya.
See ya.